How to make a chatbot using ChatGPT. Here's exactly how to do it step by step, even if you're not a programmer. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and sign in. You can use the free version, but you'll get more control if you're on GPT-4. Step 2. On the left panel, click Explore GPTs. This opens a list of custom chatbots made by others and lets you create your own. Step 3. Now click Create and choose Walk Me Through to use the guided setup. Step 4. Give your bot a name and description, then type clear instructions for how it should act. Step 5. After setup, start chatting with your bot. If it needs tweaking, go back to the settings and update its instructions or tone. Step 6. Once it works the way you want, you can share the link with others so they can use your bot too, even if they're just on the free version of ChatGPT.